Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing two of the best e-commerce platforms, Ecwid versus Wix. While both platforms are highly rated and will provide you with the tools you need to start an e-commerce website or to start dropshipping, there are some pros and cons that you should know about. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the pricing, the ease of use, the features, and also some other general knowledge that may help you in choosing the best platform for your e-commerce website. So to kick things off, we'll be looking at the pricing. So let's start off with Ecwid. Ecwid starts off with a free forever plan. So that means that you'll be able to go onto ecwid.com, tap on get started for free, and you'll be able to create a website completely free. And this is not a trial period free, but instead a free plan forever. And again, you don't need a credit card to sign up. But the pullback with this free plan is you'll only be able to add 5 products. So if you're planning to create a general store, or overall if you're planning to sell more than 5 products, the free plan may not be for you. Now, if we were to compare that with Wix, Wix also offers a free plan forever, but the thing about it with Wix is more geared towards a general website. So when it comes on to e-commerce, while you'll be able to add a few products using different plugins on Wix, you won't be able to add a lot of products, as you can see right here. If we were even to go up to their $6 plan, you will only be able to add, I think, 25 products, as you can see right here. Let me scroll down. So you can see with their $6 plan, you are still not able to do drop shipping. You will only be able to do drop shipping for $9, and you will only be able to add 9 products. So both platforms offer a free forever plan, but while Wix is geared towards a general website, Ecwid is geared towards an e-commerce or a dropshipping website. And you can see also that their paid plan, let's go back onto Ecwid right here. You can see that with the Ecwid $14 plan, you will be able to add 100 products. You will be able to start selling on Instagram and Facebook, as you can see right here. Plus, you'll get a lot more features geared towards e-commerce. Meanwhile, with Wix, you will need to go up to their $22 plan for you to be able to accept payments and do the standard e-commerce, as you'll see right there. And with their $22 plan, if I were to scroll down, let me scroll on right there, you will be able to add 250 products. So for $22, you'll be able to add 250 products, and their premium plan on the Ecwid is $82, as you can see right here. And for $29, you'll be able to add 2,500 products, and Ecwid's most expensive plan is $82.50. Meanwhile, Wix most expensive plan is $46, as you can see right there. So when it comes on to pricing, Wix is cheaper when it goes up to the more premium plan. But if you are looking for a basic website to start doing some e-commerce and you have a low budget, I would more recommend that you use Ecwid. Now, another thing that we also want to look at is the ease of use. Ecwid to me is a lot more easier to use if you're a complete beginner, and they also have a lot of tutorials online. For example, with Ecwid, all you'll need to do is go onto the platform. Once you have tapped on get started and you have signed up using your email address, this is how the control panel looks. So you can go over to the left hand menu option. From there, if you start making sales, you'll be able to monitor your sales right there. You'll be able to add products quite easily, as you can go onto catalog. And if you are planning to do print on demand, you can also do it quite easily with Ecwid. And to add products, for example, if you are planning to do drop shipping, all you'll need to do is scroll down, hover over apps, then tap on app market. And from there, all you'll need to do now is tap on drop shipping. Then from there, you'll see numerous plugins that you can use. And with dropshipping, the plugin that I would recommend that you use is SUP Dropshipping. And the reason why is because it is completely free, it is easy to use, and it will provide you with the necessary analytics to deal with shipping and all of that. And also you'll be able to import products from AliExpress. So if you're a complete beginner when it comes on to e-commerce or drop shipping, I would more recommend that you go with Ecwid. Meanwhile, with Wix, Wix provides you with a more presentable website, meaning that you'll be able to create a more professional looking website more or less. But when it comes on to e-commerce and plugins and so on, it is a little bit more technical. So if you have more experience creating websites and so on, you may want to use Wix. But if you're planning to go larger into dropshipping or more into e-commerce, I would more recommend that you go with Ecwid. Don't get me wrong, Wix is a very good website builder, and you can also create a beautiful online store with it, and you'll be able to add products and all of that, just depending on the plugin that you use, but it does take a bit more knowledge compared to Ecwid. Another thing that I like with Ecwid compared to Wix is Ecwid allows you to integrate its platform on practically any other website builder. For example, let's say you would like to create an e-commerce platform on Google Sites. As you know, Google Sites is a free platform that you'll be able to host and create a website on. So let's say you would like to add your store onto Google Sites. You can do that quite easily using Ecwid. All you'll need to do once on your Ecwid control panel, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you can tap on Overview. As you can see right here with Ecwid, they allow you to sell everywhere. So for example, if you like to turn your store into a mobile app, you can do that. If you would like to do some Instagram shopping, if you like to create an Instagram store using your Ecwid store, you can do that. You can also do that on Facebook, as you can see right here. And it also allows you to easily set up your store on Google Shopping. You can create TikTok account, and you can also start to list your products on Amazon or eBay using Ecwid. And as I was saying earlier, you can even integrate your Ecwid store in Wix. As you can see right here, you can integrate it in WordPress, and all of this is able to be done by even a complete beginner. For example, to add it onto your Google Sites or any site overall, all you'll have to do is simply tap on copy to clipboard, and from there all you'll need to do is copy this code and you can paste it onto any website builder, and from there you'll now have a storefront that you'll be able to make sales on and you'll be able to collect your money on. And also when it comes on to setting up payment methods and so on, it is quite easy to do on both platforms. For example, to set up payment on Ecwid, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option again, tap on payment. Once you have tapped on payment, from there you will be able to enable credit or debit card payment right there, and you can scroll down, you can enable PayPal. And it is the same when it comes on to Wix. With Wix, you can enable your PayPal and you can enable numerous other payment options. If you are planning to sell a digital product, I would more drift towards Wix, as with the Wix platform, it is a lot more easier to do. And again, both platforms provide you with a free forever plan. Both platforms provide you with a free domain name and hosting. Keep in mind that it won't be a .com domain name. Instead, it will be .wix.com or .ecwid.com extension, just like that. So it all depends what type of website you want. If you are planning to create a larger e-commerce store, I would more recommend that you go with Ecwid. If you are planning to create a small e-commerce store and you have experience in building a store already, or you have experience with website builders, you could use Wix. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, please let me know in the comment section and tell me which one of these platforms you are going to be using. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day or a good night. Thanks again.